Today, we have a special treat for you. The 2008 Elizabeth II Australian 10-cent coin.
In this video, we dive into the world of coin collecting and take a closer look at the 2008 Elizabeth II Australian 10-cent coin. Join us as we explore the history, design, and rarity of this fascinating piece of currency. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just curious about coins, this video has something for everyone. Welcome to our channel. So friends, first, let's talk about the history of this coin. The 10-cent coin has been a staple in Australian currency for decades, and in 2008, it underwent a significant change in design. The obverse side of the coin features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, as is customary for Australian coinage. However, the reverse side is where things get interesting. So friends, take a look at this stunning design. It features a representation of a lyrebird, which is a unique and iconic Australian bird known for its beautiful tail feathers and song. Now, let's get to the juicy part, the rarity of this coin. While not extremely rare, the 2008 10-cent coin does have some collector's value, especially if it's in mint condition. Market value. Friends, the market value of this coin can vary depending on its condition and any unique features it may have. Be sure to check with coin dealers or collectors to get an accurate valuation. So friends, in conclusion, the 2008 Elizabeth II Australian 10-cent coin is a fascinating piece of currency with a unique design and some collector's value. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just someone curious about coins, this coin is worth exploring.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe Zikzok Coin Action for more coin-related content. Thanks for watching.